Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of these three farmers. This is lentils, but this is barbecue flavored. Actually came with a pack that I got, and I'm just going to try it out and see how it is. Let's open this up. There's the ingredients if you guys want to read it, pause the video. Alright, so that's what they look like. They're really tiny lentils, you can see that. Smell wise, it just smells more like lentils. I don't smell any barbecue flavor. But when you bite into it, it is hard. If you have like soft teeth, this is not something you want to buy. But some of the flavoring in there is pretty good. It tastes like a regular barbecue sauce sort of thing. Mildly sweet, not spicy at all. Yeah, I wish they cooked the lentils a little bit better. Other than that, definitely check out. Have any questions, comments, guys? Put below.